So sometimes last week while scrolling through my feed, I found this like really cute sleeve design, and since I've not done any sleeve tutorial in like ages, I'm thinking why not try it. So guys, this is the sleeve I saw, and it was love at first sight for me, because it's a sleeve that you can attach to a simple dress where you want to turn it from being simple to being like really classy and elegant without really doing too much. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how to achieve this elegant statement sleeve. Before we go on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this tutorial if you found it helpful. So let's ride. So for this statement sleeve, you are going to have to draft a circle pattern for your sleeve. So if you don't know how to draft a circle pattern, please check out the video tutorial right on top of your screen, or if it's not there, please check for it in the description box down below. So I'm not going to be showing you how to draft a circle pattern right from scratch, because I already have a video tutorial explaining that. So yeah, what you just need to remember is that you'll be using the radius for the circle pattern. You'll be using your your armhole measurements to get this part of your sleeve. So when you are using your armhole measurement, remember to like add like maybe 10 inches to your armhole measurement, because we are going to be gathering this a bit in the middle. We are going to be like, you can either do a gather stitch, or you can use like pleats on this. So yeah, this is mine. And then make sure also that you get an interfacing for your sleeve. So I already have an interfacing here, and I've already lined this. So once you put your interfacing, once you iron your interfacing, like you get a strong interfacing like a collar stay or a peplum stay. So once you iron your interfacing on this, you put your lining and sew like this, turn it all inside and keeping it to keep it like really neat. So yeah, now what I'm going to do now is to come to the middle right here, and then I'll sew on pleats here or gathers, whichever one. Please don't mind all of this thread I have here, because I already used this stuff for a dress before, and then I had to remove it because I didn't need it anymore. So I decided to use it for today's tutorial. And then again, this is not wide enough to cover the space of my armhole, and just because I'm not going to be adding this to an actual dress, I'm just going to overlook that, because what I have here is let me measure this. So what I have here is like 15.5 inches, and my armhole measurement is like 18 inches plus the 10 inches I would have been adding to it or 5 inches that I'll be adding to it to cover the gathers I'll be using for the middle. It would have been like 23 inches if I add 5 inches to my 18 inches. So because I'm not going to be adding this, and because I already have this with interfacing, with my strong interfacing already beforehand, I decided to like use it for this tutorial. But normally if I was going to use it for a dress, my radius here, that is this part here, is going to be wider than this. So I hope you get the drift. So now I'm just going to add gather just a bit here, because I don't even have enough here. So I'm just going to gather just or maybe just sew on like small pleats right in the middle here. So the whole idea is just to show you the technique on how to achieve that sleeve. So once you sew down your pleats like I've just done, look at this, you can pin the rest down. So you pin it down here to keep it flat, and then you iron it flat. So remember that the more pleats you have here, the more defined the rich effect you have at the end of attaching your sleeve, attaching this to your dress. So yeah, if I had more space, I could have done more pleats. So but then I'm just going to do this. So now all you have to do is now close this up at the side, you sew down, and then I'm going to be showing you how to attach it to your dress. So I'll be using my mannequin to illustrate that. Please don't forget to tap the subscribe button, guys. That's very important. And check out these 2 tutorials right on top of your screen if you haven't yet seen them before.